Hello everybody, today I'm gonna talk about my monitor. It is the LG 45GS96QB. This is a gaming monitor, but I'm not using for gaming. I'm using it for my daily work. I don't game a lot. I am a software engineer and I use this for development. If you are in the same field or related, I think this video is gonna be helpful for you. Starting with the things that I don't like about this monitor. First of all, this is a huge monitor. It is 45 inches. I have a big desk and this monitor takes a lot of my space. Even if you mount, you're not gonna have as much space as you'd have with a smaller monitor. Another thing that you have to think about is nowadays there are a bunch of people that work remote. Therefore, there are always meetings where you need to share your screen. I basically share my screen every single day, and when you share a huge screen for someone that doesn't have a huge screen, they're probably not gonna see very well. So that's one of the reasons why I have the laptop, because I can just share my laptop screen and move the things that I need to show. There are ways to go around that. You could share only the window, but then it makes a little bit difficult because you have to change the window that you're sharing all the time. One other thing that was a little bit uncomfortable for me, I'm used to have three monitors basically. So it was very easy to organize my workspace. I could just drag and drop and then maximize the windows. In this one, you can split the window, but sometimes it gets messy because the window gets out of place. It gets a little bit annoying when you have to organize all the time, but I think with time you get used to it. But it was one of the things that annoyed me in the beginning. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about the things that I like. I have to confess that the first day that I installed it and start working with it, I hated it and I had decided that I was gonna return it. But then I decided to give it at least a week and see if I would enjoy or if it was not my thing. Surprising, I really enjoyed the monitor. One functionality that I really like is being able to split the window and be able to use two different operational systems. For example, I have a Mac and I have a Windows, so I basically plug both and I can jump from each other very easily. I kind of like to work in a clean desk, and having just one monitor that can charge my laptop, two cables, which is one power cable and another one going to my laptop, it really helps to keep the desk clean. I really like the design of the monitor and I think it is beautiful. The back has a few lights, and overall I'm very happy with the monitor. As a software developer, I didn't find a lot of videos talking about this monitor specific for development, but I can say that you might be able to enjoy it. Okay guys, the conclusion here is that in the beginning you might not feel comfortable working on such a big monitor. Like I said, in the beginning I hated, and now I'm used to it and I don't regret my purchase. This is an expensive monitor, so you should evaluate if you really need it, but overall I'm very happy with the purchase and I don't regret at all. I got used to it. I don't think I would go back to 2 or 3 monitors again. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will make sure to answer all of them, and I will see you in the next video.